Today's topic is tools of the trade.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to be a writer because I like to write. I like to tell stories.
Very, very sophisticated hats. Not really. It's all about creative writing. This was more my cup of tea. A little bit of a tight one though. Still, when you get writing, you just gotta do what you can. Thank you for joining me on my creative writing journey.
My name is James Seviour.
Hello and welcome back. Right, today I'm going to talk about what I would define as tools of the trade. Now, what are a writer's tools of the trade? Just a pen and a piece of paper. Modern day writers use laptops or personal computers. I mean, some even use typewriters. And others use tablets or smartphones to write fiction, screenwriting or poetry. Physical tools used are a dictionary, thesaurus to improve a lexicon, and a small notepad to jot down ideas anywhere and anytime. Or if the writer has a smartphone, using applications like Evernote to save notes online, to review them later is very useful. Outlining. Outlining is an essential tool for all writers. It defines deadlines and word counts by setting achievable goals which are vital to utilizing the writer's talent at an optimum level on a frequent basis. To outline well, the writer must establish 8 points. Number 1, what is the story about? Your plot. Number 2, who is going to be in the story? Characters. 3, in which country or time period is the story set in? Your settings and location. 4, short story, novel or poem, choose your prose and style. 5, first, second, third person or omnipotent narrative, choose your point of view. 7, romantic, science fiction, horror or action, again genre, choose your genre to know what audience you're attracting to. 8, plot twist, flashbacks, parallel stories, etc. These are your literary devices. Now, using framework tools such as A, B, D, C, E, which is action, background, development, climax and ending, converts an idea for a story into an exciting, nail-biting experience. The initial action captures the reader's attention, followed by the plot or character backgrounds described through dialogue. More action or more flashbacks. The stronger the development of the characters or the story, the higher the stakes in jeopardy. This event grows into a climax which ties all the story together and culminates in the ending. A powerful tool for writers is a software called Scrivener, which has revolutionized how to organize all plot points, character profiles, and every other intricate detail of your story. After completing a manuscript, the writer is challenged with the daunting task of editing. It is in this process that the writer uses most of their tools to sharpen their skills. Show, don't tell, remove weasel words, review excess adjectives and adverbs, use more specific languages, and sentence rhythm are all tools used to improve your writing tone. Nowadays, a writer is fortunate for a computer to automatically correct spelling, Microsoft Word, and check grammar, Grammarly. The writer is required to verify the text is true to the writer's original version. First, review it with a self-critical eye and then find proofreaders, beta readers, who are contracted to see whether the story makes sense before getting it sent to an editor. Finally, the quintessential tool is the feedback from friends and critics alike. It's only through honest criticism does a writer know what they need to do to grow as a writer. There are many more tools of the trade described elsewhere designed to help a writer create compelling and riveting fiction, script writing or poetry. So what do you think a writer's tools of trade are? Just a pen and a piece of paper? Write some comments below. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe and leave any comments below for anything you'd like me to do videos on in the future. And I hope to see you next week.